So land use pattern in India, we have seen how the land is being utilized in the country and in common also. So the use of land is determined by both physical as well as the human factors. Physical factors like topography, that is the face of the land, climatic condition, type of soil present over there. Human factors means the population density in that area. Higher the population density, more the pressure will be there on the land. Then technological capability of the people living in that area, as well as the cultural and the traditions prevailing in the society. These are the factors which affect the use of the land. As we have already studied that the total geographical area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer, but the data, that is the information, is not available for 100% of the land. It is only 93% of the total geographical area. We have the records what we are being using it as, because the land use reporting for most of the northeastern states except Assam, the work is not yet been completed. It is under the process, and moreover there are some areas in the northern part, especially in the Kashmir Union Territory, which has been occupied by Pakistan and China. So that area has not been surveyed, because that comes into the Pakistan occupied Kashmir. The land under the permanent pasture, if we see the two pie charts given in figure 1.4, so we find that permanent pasture land has also decreased. But now the question arises, how we are able to feed our huge cattle population on this pasture land, and what are the consequences of it? That is, although we have a very huge population of cattle, we are keeping it, but still the pasture land is decreasing. So how we are going to maintain? This is, we means here the farmers of India are practicing multiple farming. Okay, this means on the same field they are not only doing the agriculture work, but they are also growing the fodder which is required as a food for the cattle. Then most of the other land, other than the current fallow lands, are either of poor quality, or the cultivation cost of these land is very, very high. Hence these lands are being cultivated once or twice in 1 or 3 years. And if there are included, and this land, if we are going to include in the net sown area, then the percentage of net sown area will definitely go up, and it will be around 54% of the total area. Then the pattern of net sown area is also not same in all the states. It varies from state to state. Like the total land available in the state of Punjab and Haryana, there 80% of the land is under the cultivation, while in other states like Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur and Andaman and Nicobar, it is only the 10%. Then if we take an account of the land under the forested area, is far lower than the desired 33%. As in the previous class it has been told that every nation including India had made sure that 33% of the total area should be under the forest. But here if we see the pie chart, you will find it is only 23.3%, although the area under it has increased in respect to the data of 1960-61, but still it's a long way. We have to add more land to the forested area. In 1952, the government made the first national forest policy, and it was considered essential for maintaining the ecological balance that we have to increase this percentage. even the livelihood of millions of people who are living on the outskirts of the forest, or we can say on the fringes of the forest, also their livelihood depends on it. A part of the land which is termed as the wasteland and the land put to other non-agriculture uses. Wasteland, like we can say the one which are arid, rocky, deserted area, and land which is used for the non-agricultural uses includes the settlements, construction work, with buildings we have built, roads, railways, houses, malls, industries, etc. So continuous use of land over a long period of time, if we are not going to take the appropriate measures to conserve and manage it, it will result in the land degradation. And if the land degradation takes place at a massive scale, then it will have a serious negative impact on the society as well as the environment.